be working on math early numeracy. So let's move on to Tuesday's assignment, week 3. And we are counting 1 through 10 scattered, non-movable objects. Complete lesson 1 handouts page 105 through 106. So now let's locate your pages. So this is your page 105, and this is your first assignment, lesson 1, activity 2. Number 1, what is missing in the pattern? So we have a butterfly, a ladybug, a butterfly, blank, and another butterfly. So what are we missing? Let's continue the pattern. Are we missing a butterfly or a ladybug? Good job pointing to the ladybug. Circle it. Number 2. Count the ladybugs. How many are there? Get ready. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ladybugs? 9 ladybugs. So write your number 9 right here. Second page. Number 3. What date is circled? Say it loudly. So right here we have a calendar, a May calendar. So we are looking for the circled date. Circled. Say it loudly. I see a circle right here. What date is circled? Say it loudly. So what number is inside the circle? Which one is it? Good job saying number 10. Number 4. Mark an X 10 days later. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days later. Let's mark your calendar 10 days later, and we need an X. Mark an X like this one. Good job. Number 5. The branch the cocoons hung from is 24 inches long. How many feet long is that? 24 inches long. Remember, 12 inches equals 1 feet. How many